Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Residents of Iriebe in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State have demanded relocation of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (Nscdc) exhibit yard from the area. This follows a fire outbreak last week at the exhibit yard where properties estimated at hundreds of millions of naira were destroyed.
There was pandemonium at Iriebe town in the outskirts of Port Harcourt as residents campered for safety following a sudden fire outbreak on Monday, the 14th of March 2022 at the exhibit yard of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps (Nscdc), jointly occupied by operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). Until the fire outbreak, the exhibit yard housed scores of trucks and tankers containing refined petroleum products seized from illegal refiners. The inferno quickly spread through the yard with the aid of fuel stored in tankers that exploded intermittently. The uncontrollable spread of the inferno was in spite of the early arrival of firefighters to bring it under control. Commanding officer of the Federal Fire Service in Rivers State, Audu Abdullahi Alfa, who was present at the fire scene, said putting out the fire was an uphill task for his team.
The problem we're having here is the distance where to get water to refill. That's the problem we're having. If not, I don't think this is supposed to have taken us that long. Because if they go to refill, it will take them more than 30 minutes to come back, and the fire will not wait.
Some 24 hours later, on Tuesday the 15th of March 2022, the inferno had reduced significantly. By this time, many vehicles including cars, buses, trucks and tankers on the premises of the Nscdc exhibit yard at Iriebe were burnt beyond recognition. While briefing journalists, Zonal Commander of the Nscdc in charge of AKUGHA, Cross River and River States, James Bassi, said no life was lost in the fire incident but could not ascertain its cause.
What I can say right now is that it's too early to give reasons for this inferno, but as you all know, the Rivers Command has intensified the fight against vandals and bunkers, illegal bunkers, and oil thefts.
In separate interviews with Inside the Niger Delta, business owners and others residing in the immediate vicinity of the exhibit yard confirmed that no life was lost in the incident, but noted that it was a traumatic experience for them.
I'm using nose mask since yesterday. The thing that affect me. This thing has make me cough. I don't buy drugs at 1,000 naira since yesterday.
We were tensed up. At the process, some people were wounded in the process of carrying their goods to, where they want to secure it.
If they can move to another place, it will be better for the sake of human being.
Although the Rivers State Command of the Nigeria Security and Civil Defense Corps has arrested 5 suspects in connection with the fire incident, Paramount Ruler of Iriebe Town, Eze Dr. Jeremiah Waremu, suspects foul play by some unscrupulous security operatives at the exhibit yard jointly occupied by the Nscdc and EFCC.
Those officers of civil defense, they are the one doing this thing because they thought maybe it will not get to this stage. Now that we have a serious crisis of fuel, they start selling the products there. And they also don't know that federal government can also come begin to ask where are these products that was intercepted by these illegal bunkers. And they now start causing problem before you know it leads to a serious fire outbreak. Maybe they believe that it will not have gotten to this stage. But you have also forgotten that this diesel and fuel, it's go a long way when the fire starts. That is the position. I think it is highly, they know what they are doing.
The recent fire outbreak at Iriebe comes on the heels of serial fire incidents traced last year to activities of illegal oil refiners operating in Port Harcourt and its environs. What is more worrisome in this case is that going by its Establishment Act, the Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps is saddled with the responsibility to save lives and minimize loss of property in emergency situations. The NSCDC is duty-bound, therefore, to furnish Nigerians with full details of the Iriebe fire incident without any further delay and take drastic measures to forestall its reoccurrence in any part of the country.